Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be playing with the best trio in Animal Rivals. Yes sir, let's get into it. Okay guys, we gotta change our loadout for this map because this isn't a good loadout at all for this map.
Round start.
Yeah.
Spamming revolver right here. On me. I'm dead.
Oh my, you're getting triple team.
Yes I am. Oh nice.
Dude, this kid should be dead.
I'm low-key getting carried right now. Whoa, whoa, calm down. I can't have that on my YouTube channel, buddy.
Round started.
I needed you, Sandy. Man. Got one. Wait, what? That was 200? I got third party. Watch me. Jump. Jump.
I should hop off a crossbow. I'm not that good with it. Hey YouTube, we got this. Our opponents are getting a little toxic with each other.
Yeah. And it's me now. Alrighty. And I got double teams. 156 on the bench.
Red's dead. Nice.
Round started.
Oh yeah, it's easy win YouTube. Easy wins. Oh my goodness. That's the craziest 200 I've ever hit.
Yeah, you little piece of shit.
I hit the... Do it. Go ahead.
Because he's having a smoothie, okay?
Alright.
I hear it. I don't miss.
My bad, I missed my snipe.
Oh, I died. 174 on him. Oh, you're
Oh, he's carrying. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, one more.
To be fair, we did get them both last.
Oh, that would have been crazy, YouTube. That would have been crazy.
Is it personal? Okay, teammate, Jambuggy.
Yeah.
Let's sit back. Let's sit
Say
back.
that?
Let Aqua do all the work.
Yeah, and then we just swoop in to steal all the kills. Ugh.
Yeah.
Oh, 11 damage with sticky grenade.
Just sit up here.
Oh, he's low, but he killed one. That's good.
Really low. Sit up here and snipe. Don't move. Still doing your loadout, dude. Bro, actually low. Did you really just try and hit me with shotgun?
Dang, I just stayed back. Okay, next match, YouTube. Ooh, guys, we got a King Pong gun in this server.
Okay. Yeah. Trenches, please. Yeah, he's kinda, he yes, sir.
Got this, YouTube.
So fun. This is gonna
Match
be so fun.
started.
I'm using a horrible loadout for this map.
Great sword.
Round started.
Everyone use great sword. Everyone
Why?
use great
But
sword.
I'm not gonna ask questions. I'm just gonna obey.
You can use great sword too. He's not a real one.
Ah, I just got absolutely headshotted with shotgun. Hooray! Oh yeah, YouTube, this is easy claps. King Pong gone is gone.
Round starting.
Bars.
What are you doing with sniper? 32?
King Pong gone. Nope.
Oh yeah.
This is too easy.
It really is.
I have
That King Pong is gone.
Okay,
I'm getting hit by the sticky grenade. Somehow I did not.
Oh.
What the heck?
Oh, he got double teamed with shotgun right when he came in.
It's fine, gang. Got a little trick up my sleeve,
Are
YouTube.
we serious?
YouTube, some people might say that this is not fair. Some might complain.
Let's go.
I don't care.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh
Okay, you
yeah.
gotta have a smoothie, so we're gonna have to walk.
Round
I'm pulling
starting.
out shotgun.
Yeah, we gotta lock in. I'm locked in.
147? Oh, get him, you got this.
I'm locked in. Holy
all that work?
combo. Holy greatsword combo.
I've learned on the locking guy.
I've never done a
Okay,
triple
he's gonna
greatsword
go back
combo.
to drinking a
Round
smoothie
starting.
again. 26 on orange.
Oh, I hit him for a decent amount. Hit him for a decent amount.
Are we serious?
Oh,
With
no.
the triple team.
Oh no. Wait. Aqua with the clutch. Aqua with the clutch. Oh.
Hit one. Let's go.
Little do they know that they're only
Go
winning
back
because
to
Aqua's
drinking
here.
your smoothie. Go back to drinking your smoothie.
Round starting.
Yeah, give him a little chance.
Yeah, give him a chance. Got hit by 2 nades. There, no, you're not done.
112.
110.
Yo, actually,
We
imagine.
both got our own team.
Woo!
Crazy.
One teacher.
Triple team.
Nice.
Triple team.
They're complaining now,
Yeah,
YouTube.
y'all did that toss, huh? Y'all
YouTube.
did that toss.
Round
YouTube.
starting.
I think they're just mad. What do you think? In the comments, I need you to tell me if they're just mad or if they have every reason to crash out.
Y'all
Yeah, they're so spammers, guys. They're literally so spammers.
Oh, he's camping in the corner right there. Nice, W.
And great sword.
Woohoo!
Shotgun and great sword.
Okay, YouTube.
So what? Yeah.
Next
what? Okay,
match.
rematch.
Surprise, YouTube. It's a rematch with this King Kong Gong.
Same map.
Trenches.
Same map. I'm not sure if I like
Trenches.
that. I think we should do above back rooms.
Backrooms, regular backrooms.
Yeah.
No,
I'll do
trenches.
backrooms.
Trenches.
Yeah.
Why? I learned.
Match
YouTube.
starting.
YouTube. I'm gonna make them hate me, YouTube. YouTube. I'm gonna make them hate
Round
me.
starting.
I'm using the ultimate rage bait combo, YouTube.
How did I not do anything?
Guy teammate. Oh yeah.
Oh, I got 2 of them low.
That in outrage base.
2 of them low, and I didn't hit the other one for anything.
What's YouTube backwards, guys?
Ooh, yeah. I think that's YouTube backwards.
Yeah.
Oh, they won that YouTube, but it's fine. We win these. We win these.
Round starting.
Broken. We lose these.
What do you mean we lose these?
10 and 18. Don't get hit by great sword. Just don't let him come.
41?
Orange is low. Orange is really low.
I'm dead. Oh, the movement.
Double team.
Is that there?
Why are we double team? We got right here. Shotgun. Oh wait, double team. Why are we using shotgun and double teaming, bro?
Nah, bro.
Triple teaming, buddy.
YouTube.
Yeah,
We gonna lock in with this.
Team use shotgun.
No, I'm not.
Everyone
I'm not
on
gonna
our
use
team
shotgun. I'm gonna lock in.
You must.
Guys, let's go.
Oh, bro, what are we doing?
They're here.
What you two orange guys behind you?
No, he's one side.
You're dead. All I hear
Oh, 6
is
HP.
clutch.
W YouTube. Ah, I hit my controller's gone. Protect me.
Round starting.
All right, everyone stay together. Everyone on our team, okay, guys?
Okay, I got my controller. We back in this, baby.
Everyone stay together.
96 with sticky grenade.
Bro, please.
Where he at?
Right here. 94.
Dead? Yes, sir.
I'm not a horse, trust.
Yo, YouTube. Do you think my teammate's possessed? I think bro got possessed by a horse demon.
Stay together, teammate. Who are you waiting for?
Bro, please.
What are you doing?
I came here late, bro. I don't even know what happened. Oh, their teammate left. That's sad.
Round starting.
Beautiful name. Okay, 89. Yeah,
Missed all my shots. I'm trash. Triple team. I didn't hit you for anything. YouTube. Y'all saw how bad that was, right?
Round
YouTube.
starting.
Yeah.
Yeah, I
Okay, YouTube. Next
Guys, look, trust.
match. And we are up against our battle commando. An Apex.
And
And a Dinosaur.
An RPG spammer. Now this is what
Oh, you want to see RPG spamming? YouTube. Oh, never mind, YouTube. I'm not pulling it out in this map. I ain't pulling it out in this map, YouTube. It's fine. We cooking this map, YouTube.
Oh, the Apex is really good movement. 115 on him.
You just got back.
115 on the Apex.
Okay, I just got absolutely demolished. Behind you, both behind you. Oh, wait. Hold up.
Clutch.
Oh yeah, let Aqua clutch. Let Aqua clutch.
Come on, team. Come on.
Oh, no. Oh.
Let's go.
Oh. YouTube, I thought we had that.
Yeah, okay, you take the Apex, I'll beat the Uzi, and you take the other guy.
Round starting.
Okay?
I'll take whoever encounters me.
I got the Uzi guy.
84 on him. 84 on white. He's at our
Yeah.
base.
I got 100 on him. I got 100 on the Apex.
Teammate, there's one more. Oh my god. Get to
No, teammate, I sold. That's my fault.
You're good.
Oh my. I'm so
Everyone use AR. Everyone use AR.
Round starting.
Well, besides me, of course, because I'm beautiful.
You really think you can get me with the RPG, huh?
114.
Okay.
Oh, Bobby can
Now we shotgun spamming.
the Uzi.
Over here.
I got 100.
Shotgun. I used it one time.
Now we shotgun.
Okay.
Oh yeah, teammate. These kids complaining saying shotgun spamming when I used it one time.
Round starting.
Does bro know what spamming is?
25 1. Apex.
No, I don't got all 3 bad bunnies on me right now, bro.
Bro, are we serious? Where are we targeting? Holy
Let's
God.
go.
We're all dead.
I had the whole entire
Now
team
YouTube,
on me.
YouTube.
Alright, I'll use it.
We can get this comeback, YouTube. We can get this comeback. Trust YouTube.
Oh shoot. 40, 80, 100, 120.
Okay, now we just now. Can I catch this? Alright, one up here.
48 on him.
Oh, he's rushing up here.
Right there, get him. Good job.
Alright, it's fine.
Yes, sir.
I have both on me anyway, bro.
YouTube, this is a comeback. This is comeback season right now.
Round
Third.
starting.
Definition of comeback season. 80 on him. Shoot, are we serious? 178.
Yeah, we got 20 be on me to kill me. Like,
Yes, sir. It is comeback season, YouTube. Sorry if I'm not doing much commentating, YouTube, but I'm trying to lock in.
oh my god, my stick good.
Top 60.
I didn't hit him for much.
30 and 50.
Oh no.
32 and 50 on the test. We got the kid's coming up behind them, and he's gonna try and hit you. Bro. Just get it
Teammate,
right.
I think. Alright guys, I think we need to try a different strategy.
Bro.
And that is
Y'all dying to a
That
No!
kid's reputation. That kid's reputation is assist.
comeback season is still alive.
Yes, it is.
funny joke, bro. Very funny.
I don't know where you're at. 86 on one. 80 on both of you guys. Get him! Good job! I got 80 on this time. We got one right here. Get him!
Oh no.
Yeah.
I didn't see him because he was on my side, so.
Oh my god. Mom.
Bro, it's in! It's in!
Yeah,
It's
comeback
in.
season.
No!
Comeback season,
No,
right?
we're lost.
Comeback season, right?
Our first list.
Comeback season, right?
Are you scared?
Nah. I mean, like.
You two, we got our first loss. We got our first loss.
This guy's reputation
But that's okay,
is
'cause it was just a
coming
fluke,
up
so,
behind and killing people.
Gang, like,
Next match.
Match starting.
YouTube, it's a rematch. And it is now officially comeback season.
Yeah, one.
I ain't taking that level of disrespect.
Now we RPG spamming, right? Now we just RPG spamming. Now we just RPG.
Yup, what you gonna do about it? What you gonna do about it? Yeah! This is comeback season right now.
Where are we
Round
going?
starting.
Are we serious? Are we serious?
Oh, I got him really low. 92, nice. Oh yeah! Oh yeah, you wanna see some comeback season?
Dang, you RPG spamming. I do not want to hear it from you.
Round starting.
Okay.
Cry me a
I have 3
river.
minutes.
Sorry, YouTube, but I just have a habit of being toxic.
Wait, where are you going?
If I had one bullet left in my AR, gang.
Comeback season. Yeah.
Nah, we ain't letting y'all get that comeback season. We can't let him get that comeback season.
Round
Okay.
starting.
Yes, ma'am.
They hit me with 100 with grenade.
My only chance is to use auto shotgun.
YouTube, we gotta use auto shotgun if we want to win this.
It's the kid, it's the
Now y'all
assassin.
gonna use auto shotgun?
Every single one of us guys,
Like,
use
I
great
swear
sword,
that-
use
that's
great
the
sword.
to win,
Round
bro.
starting.
Can't.
You can't be
Why?
Too late.
80.
70 on the impact.
Oh my. RPG and auto.
Seven.
Oh yeah, comeback season. They didn't even leave a scratch on us.
Bro, let's see.
Round starting.
5-0. No,
45. My only change is to revolver. One in
Oh,
doubt,
yeah.
revolver is out.
We got this squad. We got this. We
Round
got this squad.
45 on the apex.
They hit me with sticky grenade.
Get him.
36 and
The
I
heck?
killed one. 36 and I killed one.
Bonnie's one tap, I think.
Nice.
We got buddies right now.
Ah,
Oh, you're good. You're good.
Right.
You're good.
nah, it's fine. This is still win. We just need one more point.
One
They
in
still need
doubt,
2.
revolvered out.
Round
Shush.
starting.
My teammate told you shush. Get him. Oh my, triple team.
I got the apex. I got the apex.
Yeah.
Yeah! The comeback!
See you later.
Oh yeah,
No,
comeback
not
season. Comeback season. Oh yeah, YouTube, that's comeback season right there.
Absolute no skill game. Scared? Can you rematch? Yep, you left, bro. Absolute no.
Yes, sir. Okay, well, this is where we're going to end the video. So, hope you enjoyed and goodbye.